Nothing is more frustrating than those tangled headsets or earpieces. I'm going to show you a very good solution so that you don't have to deal with that anymore. Here is what I have built. It's very easy to make. You take a plastic hotel card, the one that you use to open the door, and you just cut it to that shape with a pair of scissors. Very easy to do. It's going to take less than a minute for you. You can even readjust it over time based on the length and the width, whatever you are comfortable in your pocket or handbag or whatever. So there is a lot of flexibility and it doesn't cost you anything. So once you are done, you are just going to wrap it around. I'm going to show you how I am doing it. So I'm putting the earpiece straight, the headset straight, and here we go. Up. I can start either way. And I just until there is no more cord which is loose. And if you want to be sure, you put it 90 degrees. Here we go. And you put that directly in your pocket. It doesn't take more space, and I can reassure you it's not going to tangle anymore. When it's time to remove it, you just take it out like that, and you just untangle it. Sorry, you just unroll it, not untangle. Here we go, and it's perfect. Thanks for watching this video. I have many more how-tos on my Car and Train channel.